So now we're ready to add some media queries into our file and turn on either the large logo or the small logo based on the size of the SVG graphic. So after our logo large and small, setting the display to none, let's hit a few returns. Let's start with an @ symbol, type media, space, then we'll type screen, and put in our parentheses, put in our curly brackets, split this open on the curly brackets. Then with the cursor inside of the parentheses, we're going to put min-width, colon, 125 pixels. Then we'll come in here and copy this entire rule, paste it a few lines down, and then we'll change min width to max width, and we'll come in here and set this to 124 pixels. So what these two media queries are going to do is anytime the SVG graphic is displaying at a size of at least 125, which means 125 or higher, this is going to be the large logo, and anytime the graphic is displaying up to a maximum width of 124, which means 124 and below, we're going to use the small graphic. So inside of the media query for min width 125 is where we're going to set the display type of the large logo. So we'll come in here and type .logo_large, put in our brackets, and then we're going to simply set display to block. Then we'll come in here and copy this rule. Let's paste it inside of the max width 124. We'll change large to small. So with these in place, save your SVG graphic. Let's go back to the browser. Let's hit reload. And now when the graphic is displaying larger than 125, we'll see the large version. And then if we close the browser size down below 125 pixels, we will then see the SVG graphic switch to show the small version of the logo. And so we now have this SVG graphic responding based on its display size. This means if we change the display size through HTML or CSS, the graphic itself will change and activate these media queries based on the size that it's displayed at. And so now that the different versions are displaying based on that size, next we'll change the color of the artwork using CSS as well.